It's very cold today. Sunday morning, very cold. So I'm now ready. We'll see how is it cold outside. I need to wear my jacket. Alrighty guys, we're going. Bye bye. See you later. So hello guys, I'm now here already down. So I'm going to take the train. I'm going to meet my sister. Here is Causeway Bay. I'm going to the station. So see you guys later. Bye bye. So there, see the park. There are many people here, but not so full, not like other park. Hello, good evening. We're going now. We are going home. See you next Sunday. Bye bye. So lahat ng pag 6 o'clock pala mag-close na sila. Andun na yung order namin, yung ate ko. Ayan. So bye-bye. Eating here outside. It's very cold. Look at this. Cannot see. It's dark. Chicken. Spaghetti. This spaghetti. Or eating my sister.